Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic natin for today is we listen more when it hurts. At syempre, mayroon tayong topics na Jeroboam. So, bago ko i-share lahat ng mga natutunan ko sa naging topics natin for today, i-share ko yung Bible readings natin. So, ang Bible readings natin is makikita sa 1 King chapter 14. Ang sabi dito, at that time, Abijah, the son of Jeroboam, fell sick. And Jeroboam said to his wife, arise and disguise yourself, that it known be that you are the wife of Jeroboam, and go to Shiloh. Behold, Ahijah the prophet is there. So who said of me that I should be a king over these people? Take with you 10 loaves, some cakes, and jar of honey, and go to him. He will tell you that what shall happen to the child. So Jeroboam's wife did so. She arose and went to Shiloh and came to the house of Ahijah. Now Ahijah could not see, for his eyes were dim because of his age. And the Lord said, Ahijah, behold, the wife of Jeroboam is coming to inquire of you concerning her son, or for he is sick. Thus and thus shall you say to her. So when she came, she pretended to be other woman, but when Ahijah heard the sound of her feet, as she came in the door, he said, come in, wife of Jeroboam. Why do you pretend to be another? Am I charged for unbearable news for you? Go tell Jeroboam, thus say the Lord, the God of Israel, because I exalted you from among the people and made you leader over my people Israel, and tore kingdom away from the house. So ngayon, share ko na po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic natin for today. Magsisimula tayo sa ating teaching. First teaching natin, God catches Jeroboam's attention through the sickness of his son. So si Jeroboam na nakilala ng Panginoong Kristo, nakuha niya yung atensyon ni Jeroboam sa pamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng sakit ng anak ni Jeroboam. At syempre, sa pamagitan nun, lumapit si Jeroboam sa Panginoon at dun lang siya humingi ng tulong. So sa ating second teaching naman, God bring judgment upon the house of Jeroboam. So, dinala rin ng Panginoong Kristo yung panghuhusga or yung paghahatol sa pamilya ni Jeroboam, lalo-lalo na doon sa bahay na pinaninirahan ng pamilya niya. So, sa ating third teaching naman, God shows mercy to Abijah by taking his life in peace. So, ang ating Panginoong Kristo is pinakita niya yung kabutihang loob niya sa pamilya ni Abijah sa pamagitan ng pagkuha ng kanyang buhay. And syempre, kinuha niya yung buhay ni Abijah na walang hirap or pasakit na nararamdaman. So sa ating third teaching, so dadako pala tayo sa ating application. First application natin, remember that we all have is entrusted to us by God. So, kailangan natin palaging isipin or isabuhay natin na ang Panginoong Kristo is dapat siya palagi yung pahalagahan natin, paniniwalaan natin sa lahat at sa maraming bagay syempre. So, sa ating second application naman, follow God with all your heart without reservation. So, kailangan mong sundin yung Panginoong Kristo sa buhay natin, hindi yung sa pamamagitan ng gusto mo siyang sambahin kasi kailangan, but then, kailangan mo siyang sambahin kasi bukod sa kailangan natin, siya yung pangangailangan ng buhay natin. So, sa ating third application naman, seek God while He may be found, otherwise judgment be follow. So, ngayon, ang importante palagi nating hanapin ng Panginoong Kristo sa puso natin, sa buhay natin, kasi kung hindi natin siya hanapin, siya yung hahanap sa atin at bibigyan niya tayo ng hatol sa buhay na mayroon tayo. So, dadako tayo sa ating last part, which is in discussion. What is the importance of seeking God now rather than later? Para sa akin kasi, kung hahanapin mo yung Panginoon Kristo sa buhay mo ngayon or pahalagaan mo siya sa buhay na meron ka ngayon, syempre, ang perks ng mga bagay na yun is may iwasan mo yung mga kasalanan na dapat hindi mo gawin, di ba? At syempre, mas makakahingi ka ng tawad sa ating Panginoon. So, sa ating dive deeper, ang sabi dito, comprehension, Abiha, and Jesus Christ. So, ayun lang po for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.